Kumortuli in Kolkata is a hub for idol makers. These artists use hay and clay to create huge and beautiful idols. Currently they are busy in making Ma Durga idols. Durga Puja is a big celebration in India. However, in West Bengal these celebrations are larger than life with lots of grandeur. From clothing to jewelry, everything is fabricated here. Let's have a look at some of the magnificent idols in progress. Artisans at Kumortuli make Ma Durga for some of the most renowned pujas of Kolkata. These idols are shipped to other parts of the country and to the world. Seeing these process of making is greatly satisfying. And in exactly 1 week time, we all can see Ma Durga Pratima in her full glory. Wish you all a happy Durga Puja.